U.S. House of Representatives Speaker Nancy Pelosi kicked off a closely watched Asia tour on Monday in Singapore as China warned that its military would never sit idly by if she were to visit Taiwan, the self-ruled island claimed by Beijing. Chinese Foreign Ministry spokesman said that it would be a gross interference in China's internal affairs if Pelosi visits Taiwan, and warned that it would lead to very serious developments and consequences. China views visits by U.S. officials to Taiwan as sending an encouraging signal to the pro-independence camp in the island. Washington does not have official diplomatic ties with Taiwan but is bound by U.S. law to provide the island with the means to defend itself. On Monday, Taiwan Premier Su Tseng-chang did not directly respond when asked whether Pelosi will visit on Thursday, as local media have speculated. "We always warmly welcome visits to our country by distinguished foreign guests," he told reporters in Taipei.